In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Robux to your Roblox account. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. First of all, we need to check if our controller is connected. We see the blue light, we know that's connected. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to navigate to our Roblox application on our console. So you go to game library, you go to Roblox. Now we need to understand that Robux is a feature on Roblox that allows us to upgrade certain things on our account. So it enables us to buy coins to be able to do these upgrades. Now want to go to the far right, you see the yellow icon? Yeah, this one, you click it. This is where you are able to unlock Robux because it's going to allow you to purchase upgrades. As you can see here, you can buy different amounts of Robuxes for different dollar prices, and then you can choose any package that you want to purchase. If you want to purchase it, all you need to do is click on it and it's going to take you to this page where you can pay for it and your account is going to be charged. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And until the next one, see ya.